Hey guys, my name is Eric Slade, and I am the Assistant Branch Manager of Sun Federal Credit Union. I'm joined here today by my trusty cameraman, Sonny. Say hi, Sonny. We've had our branch here attached to the Radnor Hotel a little bit over 2 years now. We moved to the area because we thought there would be some really good opportunities around here, and we have been blown away by the response that we've gotten from Wayne residents and business owners. We also have a lot of members who live in the area who joined the credit union back in the 80s, 90s, early 2000s, back when we used to have a branch at the Radnor Corporate Center. So we offer things like savings accounts and checking accounts, giving people a place to save their money and deposit their paychecks. We help people get loans to buy cars or houses or anything else that they might want to buy. We even have accounts for kids, so you can open an account with your parents. And one thing that's pretty cool that we do is if you bring in your report card, we will match $1 for every A on your report card and deposit that money in your savings account for you. So one of the things that makes a credit union like Sun Federal a little bit different than a normal bank is that you actually have to live or work or go to church in the local area. You have to belong to the community in order to join Sun Federal. Another way you can join is if you or someone in your family works for certain companies that we partner closely with. In this area, that includes companies like Sunoco, SEPTA, the Philadelphia Orchestra, and the businesses in the Radnor Corporate Center, among others. There are plenty of other banks and credit unions out there that offer similar products to Sun Federal. The reason why people choose Sun over the rest of them is really because of the people who work here. We have people who are really dedicated to the mission and to making sure that we provide the best service possible to our communities. One of the first things you'll notice right away when you walk into our branch is that we don't look like a normal bank. We don't have a row of counters and tellers behind the counters. What we have instead are these two machines. We call them Harmony. And what they do is they actually connect you via video chat to a live friendly face at our support center who can help you with anything that you might want to do, deposits, withdrawals, loan payments, anything you might do at a traditional bank counter, you can do right here with Harmony. And having these has actually allowed us to stay open during the pandemic, just because we don't have in-person transactions right now. We really depend on a lot of the services in Wayne to help us succeed. The most important is obviously police presence. Anytime you have a business dealing with a lot of cash like we do, we want to make sure that we stay safe and that our members feel safe when they come in. The basic way a credit union or a bank works is that we encourage people to deposit money here, and then we turn around and we lend out some of that money. We let people borrow it to be able to buy houses or cars or just spend with their credit cards. So in order to be able to lend out that money, we need to have people put money in here, and we encourage them to do that by paying them interest on their deposits. Now, one of the opportunity costs that we face is that we can encourage more people to put their money here by giving them better savings rates, by giving them a higher rate of return on a certificate or a savings account or something like that, giving them more interest. But in return, that would mean that we have to pay out more money too. So there is a trade-off there. We really depend on the local businesses and business owners here in Wayne because they are our members. We help them grow their businesses, and in return, they deposit their money here, and they might take out new loans to help grow even more. It's this great circular relationship we have. It's our mission to help improve the quality of life for all of our members, both individuals and businesses, by helping them become more financially independent and helping them save money, be able to borrow more money, and live the type of life that they dream. So that's really the main way that we give back to the community. We help people achieve their goals. The other way is that since we are a not-for-profit company, we invest a lot of time and money and resources into helping out with local community events, things like the Radnor Fall Festival and the Wayne Plein Air Festival, and some local foot races. We help out with all of those. How has Wayne changed since I've started working here? I don't really know. It's only been 2 years. I can tell you that I've seen groups like the Wayne Business Association really working towards doing things like putting in new trees downtown and improving parking. So that's been great to see. Changes that I would like to see myself. It would be nice to have more businesses go in the area in between where our branch is, by the Radnor Hotel and downtown, to sort of bridge the gap between those two areas, make that whole street walkable. Other than that, all I can say is that I hope that we're in a position next year so that the next group of third graders can actually visit our branch in person. Doing this video is cool, but showing you guys around in person would be even better. All right, that's all I've got, guys. Thanks a lot.